back to make another Middle Eastern medieval dish with you from the same cookbook that I already made the medieval hummus from, the Kanz from 13th century Egypt. And today we are talking about fava beans. Now, this dish from fava beans are still very, very commonly eaten in Egypt, but mainly in the dried variety. Now, this recipe does not explicitly say whether they are talking of fresh fava beans or of dried fava beans, but as the recipe mentioned right after is talking explicitly of dried fava beans, I thought probably here they talk of the fresh variety. So I already pre-cooked these fava beans. And they are going to be made in a nicely spiced sauce together with hazelnuts. Now, first the recipe calls for tahina. Tahina is that sesame paste that you might know from hummus. It's a common Middle Eastern ingredient that you find in Middle Eastern shops. Now we add some oil, yes. Although tahina is quite greasy in itself, the recipe asks to be mixed with the finest of oils, which, as an Italian resident, I just have to interpret as olive oil. As the next ingredient, it asks for some coriander to be mixed in. We add coriander seeds, that is, not fresh coriander. Grind it up a little. And add it. The next ingredient is somehow more enigmatic. It is called atraf tib and appears frequently, at least several times, in medieval Middle Eastern cookbooks. Now, it's not completely clear what it is because, well, there are several versions transmitted, but they all differ. Now, I have kind of concentrated on the base, on the ingredients that apparently were always there. So what do we have here? We have rose petals, we have bay leaves, we have cloves, we have nutmeg, we have cardamom, we have ginger, and we have pepper. From this, I'm going to make a nice spiced mixture now. I'm trying to grind that as finely as possible. Now, we chop some parsley and some mint. And add some vinegar. Now this mixture here goes into that one as well. As a next step, we are going to crush the already roasted hazelnuts a little bit. Not too finely, there still should be some pieces. Now we mix the fava beans with the sauce. And I would add actually something else that the recipe is not talking about at all. Salt. Now, I think it was just left out because it was taken for too granted. And we add the crushed hazelnuts. And that's it. A medieval Egyptian fava bean salad with hazelnuts.